Extract the transition zip file after downloading. This matte transition is an alpha channel template and will work in most editing softwares. I have taken a full HD sequence with 2 footages in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now, let's use any of the matte transitions between these videos. Take any of the transitions and place it on the third timeline of the video. Let's split the second video. Now, go to Window and open the Effects panel. Search for Matte and locate Track Matte key. Drag and place it on the splitted video. Go to Windows and open the Effects Control panel. Select Video 3 since the transition is on the third video timeline.